A real quick video inside RADTUBE how to populate a list of parts from a CSV file. So I'm going to come up here to Multinest. From there, I'm going to choose Browse to a CSV file. Select my file. It's going to ask me if I want to multiply with the contents of that. I'm just going to keep it at the values that I have. So a multiplier of 1, and it brings in my parts. RADTUBE can use up to 4 values, 4 columns. So we've got our reference number, the part location and name, order number, and quantity. And I can see those represented in my parts list here. So we've got the part name, quantity, and then over here, I've got reference and order. If I right click here, I can choose to show or hide various things about it. So if I didn't want reference number or order number to be shown here, I can disable that. That possibly is something that we would like to have, so we'll include it. Alternatively, we can also go to stocks. Notice it's picking up on the materials that I have, and it's kind of including that, pulling it from a default. But if we blow these away, I can also do this with a CSV file as well. So if I have a list of my materials, I can drag and drop that. Again, it's going to ask us for a multiplier. In this case, again, I want to leave it as what my file has. So now I've got some extrusion types, stock IDs, how many I have, etc. From there, I can simply hit the play button. It's going to calculate out the necessary materials I'm going to need to be able to produce this list of parts. One of the benefits of using a CSV file is if we have a CSV file included, but then we also need to add some additional parts, you can simply just browse out to our parts list, grab some additional parts, and add them to our list. And here then we'd have to modify each one by saying how many we have. So the benefits are there by using a CSV file.